So yesterday when you gave your testimony, you indicated that the pictures where the date that you could find on the pictures is 2020. So my question to you is it the date in which the photos were transferred on the SD card, or is it the date in which they were captured with the J5 camera?
Bathi ke malana nodaba lweyithombe ke lezi kade ukhuluma ngazo ke izolo ukuthi umnyaka kade uthola ke lapho ke umnyaka 2020 manje umuzo ukuthi ngabe lo mnyaka 2020 ilo mnyaka benizithobula ngazo ke nizicaptureisha ngaphansi kwale system yenu ngaphansi kwedisk noma ngaphansi kwe-USB yenu noma ke ilelanga kade bethobule ngazo ke ngalocingo lolu lwe-J5.
Ngicela phinde question yakhe kahle.
Can you please repeat your question?
My question is the date that you gave that depicts 2019-2020 on the pictures. Is it the date in which they were captured with the camera, or is it the date in which they were transferred on the SD card?
Athi-ke phakathi komnyaka 2020 futhi no-2019 ingabe mayelana ney'thombe lezi bayithatha ngecamera ngomnyaka 2019 noma ngomnyaka 2020 noma iy'thombe lezi shuthi ngesikhathi nokuzi-retriever ngaphakathi kwale system yakho ke wazi-retriever ngale date evelile kuzona.
Okay, ngicela ukuphinde ngichaze kahle lena. Le ithombe kuneyithombe okhona ukusibona uma ngabe sivela siyakhomba ukuthi iSamsung J5.
Can I explain this in this following manner? With regards to these pictures, if you are opening the picture, it can show you that it was taken by a Samsung or with a Samsung J5.
And then i-date le elapha ayisoze yachange ilanga isithombe esasiku-J5 esangena ngaso sayofika ku-SD card.
The date that is depicted on that set picture, it is the date in which that photo was transferred to the SD card.
Thank you. It was also put to you that you are not an official identification expert, correct?
If it was ukuthi wena ke awuyena ke uchwepheshe ke ngaphansi oqhathanisa phakathi kobuso.
Iqiniso.
That is correct.
When you were identifying these photos on exhibit DD4B, were you using observations or you using expertise?
Bathi ngesikhathi lesi ke kade identify ithombe lezi khona la ngaphakathi kumbukiso ka DD4 ngabe kade ukusebenzisa ukubona kwamehlo akho noma ukusebenzisa ikhompyutha lakho yasemsebenzini?
Bengisebenzisa nje ukubona kwamehlo kwami.
I was making use of my own observations.
And then from what you have downloaded in 2021 and this exhibit DD4B, do you see any fault with these two exhibits?
Bathi malana naloko akuthubula ke ngomnyaka 2021 futhi nale ithombe lezi ngabe ukhona iphutha yini olibonayo lapho ke?
Cha, alikho.
No.
Are these identical photos?
Ngabe ithombe umuntu angakhona azibone kahle ke futhi ayikhombe uma ngabe ebona?
I don't see.
What's the objection about?
I only see one photo and one edit.
Mr. Ramusipili. Otherwise, we'll never finish this case.
I'm referring, Mr.
This gentleman is
I'm
talking about,
referring.
wait. You're talking about identical
Yes, DD4B as well as the.
or similar. Is it identical or similar?
Or similar, yes.
Yeah,
And I'm
because it's a
referring
question of
to.
language, as I understand.
I'm referring to
language.
this exhibit in my hand. Comparing to the downloads that he has done. Mr. Ramusipili, you recall when he gave evidence, he was comparing this as well as the downloads.
Now, what are you arguing about? Because it appears both of you are arguing at cross purposes. What is the objection to the?
Let him proceed.
No. I
My
want to understand.
initial misunderstanding or understanding was on these two images that are there to say, are they identical photos? I said, I only see one photo and one ID kit. There's no two photos.
Yeah, quite.
Yes.
I don't know if the doctor, do you see two photos there?
I was not even referring to these, my
Yes, that's what I
lord.
said.
Oh, you're not even referring to them?
No.
Yeah. I thought all of us sitting in this court know that this is a graphic representation by Mrs. Steenkamp.
That's correct, my lord.
I thought you all know that. Now, if we're going to go up and forth, if one has been in this courtroom for 2 years and he still confuses a photograph, this is a photograph, with a lithograph, then we've got serious problems.
Yes, you're busy giving a comment. Can you proceed regarding the downloads and exhibit DD4B?
wathi ke la usakhuluma ke baba baba warrant officer Ndlovu lama la nethume kade udownloadile futhi nalama exhibit la.
Engicabanga ukuthi bese ngikwenzele ngizophinde ngikwenze ukuthi mina engicabanga ukuthi umsebenzi wami ngiwenze ngokuthembeka nangobuqotho ngoba
What I can say is that I did my work with my utmost best and also trustworthy.
engicabanga ukuthi nomuntu ohleli la uzokubona lokuthi konke bengikusho bengikhuluma ngokuthembeka nangobuqotho.
And even each and every person that is seated before this court will see that I have done my work accordingly to the best of my ability
Ngoba
and also with honesty.
ngoba ebengicelwe kona ukuthi ngiconfirme lokhu abakwenzile nalokhu engikuphethe.
Because of what was being asked out of me, it was to do the analysis between what they bakhombile, what I was being shown, nani futhi,
Nalokhu nale CD engiyenzile.
together with the CD that I have printed out or that I've made out.
Engeke ngakungabaza ukukusho.
What I cannot doubt in saying,
Lama photo lawo maba presenter la uma ngabe sifaka in besho inamba is the same number ela kulesithombe.
what I can also further highlight to this court, it is when these pictures they were shown on the screen, pertaining to the date that had appeared on the pictures that were depicted on the screen, it is the same page number that is depicted on these pictures.
Engicabanga ukuthi yilokho ebengikuzelela engikwenzile.
Of which I think that is the reason as to why I was then called to come to this honorable court and to do that work.
So lokho angeke ngize ngingabaza ukuthi kuyikho okwakwenziwe yimi. Le thombe ziphuma kule extraction ebengikuyo. Ngiyabonga.
And to that, I cannot even doubt myself that these indeed these are part of my duties, no, these are part of the work that I've conducted. And thank you.
And just to also add a cherry on top, Mr. Ramasipili also admitted before this court that the photo as well as the features that you place on record are a correct representation of accused number 2.
That's not a clarified question.
It's a re-examination, my lord. I want the witness to comment.
It's not a clarifying question. What is it, ma'am? Inshallah. What do you call it?
My lord, it's argumentative. The witness has already responded when that assertion was made by
The
the
question is
defense.
allowed because it's under re-examination. Am I correct?
That's correct,
Is
my
it-
lord.
Is
It's
it
under
evidence
re-examination.
in chiefs or cross-examination or re-examination? What is it?
Re-examination.
Okay, fine. Yeah, okay, fine. You can continue with it.
Sorry, Counsel, may you please repeat the question again?
I'm saying to add the cherry on top, Mr. Ramasipili has already admitted before this court that photo 1 up to 16 is correct, is a correct description of accused number 2. There's no challenge that.
Bathi ke ummeliki omeleki apha umnumzana wesibili ke lapho kwakuntanzi usho ukuvumela ukuthi isithombe sokuqala kuzifuneka kwisithombe seshumi elinesithupha ke lapho ke kuqinisa ukuthi lapho ke umuntu okutshela okhona lapho ke umuntu ofana ncamashi nomsola wesibili.
Yes.
Yes, I
And
hear you.
it accords with your evidence.
Abathi yahambisana futhi nofakazi obulethile.
Ngiyavuma.
I admit to that.
And then further in relation to the chain of custody.
and futhi ukuhambisana nalokho ade khona ke ngesikhathi zabe khoklethu ithoma dathathiwe la ngesikhathi wasejele.
injani
That is correct.
Can you also clarify that in terms of the metadata that I took you through yesterday, the photos that were shown to you yesterday as per your downloads were taken with the Samsung J5?
Athi mina nodaba lwemitha data kusho ukuthi ithombe lezi ke lutshengise zona ke elangeni endlule elanga la izolo ukuthi bayithwebula ke ngocingo noma umakhalekhukhwini abambiza ukuthi i-J5.
kunjani
That is correct.
No further questions, my lord.
Yeah, okay, me, I suffer from astigmatism, meaning my conceptual vision is defective when it reaches a certain length. Angiboni kakuhle mangijongisisa ekudeni. That's why I put on spectacles, okay? Is there anything wrong with your eyesight, sir?
Inkosi enkantolo ithi yona ke uma ngabe ikhuluma ngayo ke yona ke uma ngabe ibuka ekudeni ke ayiboni kahle ke kepha kuma befake ke ibuko kulabona khona ke kahle athi manje umbuzo ukuthi ngabe ikhona yini inkinga malana namehlo akho mnumzana.
cha anginayo inkinga
No, I don't have any eyesight
You
problem.
don't wear spectacles.
Ogqoka ibuko zamehlo.
hayi nginosigqoka mangisemsebenzini kodwa anginayo inkinga yamehlo
I do put on my spectacles, eye spectacles at times. However, I don't have eyesight problem.
Okay. And then when you're driving your motor vehicle,
Moshayile moto? No, I don't put on my eye spectacles.
okay. Thanks. Like I said, me, I suffer from that. That's why I use this gadget. You don't use any gadget to read, for instance, to view or read what you see in this document, DD4A.
hayi angisebenzisi lutho
I'm not making use of anything. No,
Okay.
Of any gadget.
Okay, thank you. Is that it, sir? Right, with this witness.
Indeed, so, my lord.
Thank you
Can be excused.
so much for your assistance.
Bayabonga ke mnumzana ngesikhathi sakho futhi angosizo lwakho manje ke ungakhuleka ungahamba.
All right, Officer Ndlovu.
ngiyabonga inkosi enkantolo
Thank you, Your Lordship.
My lord, it's 11:21. Can we take the normal tea break? We try to line up another witness. We just want to communicate with the witness.
Okay.